Hey, Ribeyes, I want to introduce you to my new little friend, Texas Cajun Uncle Steve's Shake. Alright, folks, I'm not showing you the beginning, but I want you to know I tried it on chicken. I said, freaking ribs. Tried it with ribs, freaking awesome. Now we're doing it with ribeye. That's right, I'm stuck on this stuff right now, and that's okay. We're going on the Weber kettle today. I'll get these things fixed up. Got a few other things going on there, and I'll bring you back during the cook. But the main thing on this is the taste test. It's Papa, Texas. Another edition, another episode of Papa's Kitchen. Hit that bell once you see that steak. We'll be back. Just to let you know, we're rolling pretty high right here. I'd say 1,000 degrees at this point. See, I've got my reverse sear going on that one. I don't think this one's ready, but yeah, we're good. I'll bring the second steak over in a second. Some poppers. Alright, right there, we're doing fantastic. Alright, so there she is. So we tried Uncle Steve's Shake Texas Cajun on chicken. Immediately I said ribs, baby back ribs. That was fantastic. The ribs were. The chicken was too. But the ribs is what this made me really crave. Now we're doing the steak. And we'll find out which one tops Papa's list. Good steak. Good flavor. With this seasoning, I put it for ribs at the top, baby back, then the steak, then the chicken, but they're all fantastic. I'm gonna step in here real quick and just let you know, I ate that whole steak and it was freaking awesome. Seriously, back to Papa. I'm loving this flavor right now, as you can tell. I'm gonna take a little break of videos from this flavor, because I got another one, West Coast Shake. We're going to try that one, and from the smell of it, I know exactly what it's going to be made on. And that should be my next cooking video after this one. It's Papa, Texas, Papa's Kitchen. Hit that bell if you're still here. We will see you. God bless.